Well, all you have to do to make sure that your store is profitable is to actually just eliminate all those long shipping times. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? But AliExpress, I can't find a supplier that does it in a small amount of time. I can't order in bulk. I have the solution right for you right now. All you gotta do is use something called Spocket. Now I'm about to show you the brilliance of Spocket and the tactic to use to have 1 to 3 day shipping times, and that's the best of cases with some products, and if with other products you can get 4 to 7 day shipping times. You can actually compete with the big brands like with this great shipping time. So let's get into it and I'll show you how to find the best products with the best shipping times. Let's go. Okay, so basically I'm going to go through really quickly how you can get 1 to 3 days shipping on every single product that you'll be selling, and I mean every single one because you choose the right ones. The way to do it is by shipping from the actual warehouse that you're actually selling the actual to the country you're actually selling to. I know that was a sort of weird way to describe it, but that's the way to sort of describe it. So yeah, you got to find the right products. Go into the description below and you can sign up to Spocket right now. I believe it's not a lot and it's only like a small fee every month. Very similar to Obolo setup to actually import and everything like that. And it's got loads of products from the USA that are very like have great shipping times and not too much as well. So the way to actually customize it to see what is actually shipping from the USA, you need to click either ships from the USA or USA shipping under $5. Now you can search anything you want, so let's say you have a niche store or just something that you're selling, then you can type in something, let's say it's about pet products, then you can type in pets and look at pet products that are being shipped out from the USA, and the shipping's under $5. Now you can get this puppy love pup scruff, I don't know what that is, shipping time 1 to 3 days, and you can get quite a few. So you got to find the ones that have shipping times for quite a few days. So berry, banana, cocoa, chunk, organic, all this dog food stuff here, $4 shipping price. That'd be really good. So you could always do something like that. And basically all you got to do is when you're actually creating your advertisements, you got to target it straight to the USA. That's all you got to do. So just target it to the USA. Use the same audiences and interests that you'd be using beforehand to actually target all of your, to literally target any of the people that you're going to try to sell this to, and then you'll get some great results. Obviously you got to make a decent product page and everything like that, but you will find some really good results. So you can scroll through here, see the pet products and everything, but you don't really want to be looking at that. So instead I'm going to show you some of the trending products that you can use from the USA. So let's have a look and let's scroll down. So let's just have a scroll through, and this is let's clear all because it's still on pets. That looks like a good product though, but again, you want to find ones 1 to 3 shipping, that's like 1 to 3 days in shipping time. Now you can always go for 4 to 7 days, however it's not really the best, it's not really ideal. So the best way to do it is just to sort of scroll through and look for 1 to 3 days fast shipping time. So there's a little ring here, adjustable sterling silver rings. It's more jewellery more than anything. They're not really trending, so you'd have to find what's this, repair balm, I'm not sure what that is. Hawaiian shirts. I'm sure a lot of people will be able to find products that they can actually sell properly on here. So this is an engraved water bottle, so you can engrave anything into it, I believe. That's cool. Alright, so you do stuff like that. Here's what it tells you the retail price and everything to go for as well. But all you gotta do is scroll through and just try and find the best products. Now, if you're thinking like, I don't know if this is a trending product or not, then the way to do it is to look. So let's say we're gonna do this. What is this here? Is it a spoiler? Oh, surf fins. Okay, so let's say you're trying to see if this is worth selling. So what you do is you go to AliExpress's Dropship Center. Once you're logged in, all you can do is type in surf fins, boom, and click orders. Now obviously these are not trending products, so you won't want to sell them. So then you go through and keep on scrolling through to find what you want. Or alternatively, you could go over here, not put anything in. Let's say we want pet products again. So let's say we want pet products. Okay, so this ingenious mesh dog fence, so you could sell something like that. The personalized dog harness that always sells well. So you could sell something like this in the what's called mesh fence. So if you wanted to type in mesh fence, and here we go. So it's 4 to 7 shipping. It's 4 to 7 days for the shipping time, which isn't the best, but it's better than ordering it straight from AliExpress and having it be completely less. And it's shipping straight from the US. Now there is a high shipping price, which but to be fair, you would be able to mark it up. So it's $15, $8 shipping. You could be able to mark it up a bit, but I don't know if that'll be profitable. So then what you do again, you sort of try and work out the profit margins, realise that might not be worth it, and then you can type in LED dog collar. It's an American LED dog collar. I think that'll sell quite well. It's 4 to 7 days shipping, obviously, but you need to find something 1 to 3 days. But that's quite funny with the election and stuff like that. Yeah, that'd work. And if you wanted to, you just click add to import list. And obviously, I'm in an account that's not connected to it at the moment. But here's your prices: $24, everything like that. You import list, you take it to your import list, and basically then you add it straight from your import list onto the store that you're using. So yeah, pretty handy. Now, if you've got to keep scrolling through, obviously if that's not working for you, you can type in dog bed, and there's a decent one there, dog bed. Saying their retail price is $60, but you really wouldn't want to be selling for that because you got to put in the actual cost of your ads and everything like that as well. Yeah, it's not really working for that one. Basically, you just keep scrolling through. Dog clothes for some reason sells like mad. Like stuff like this really does sell, so you gotta put ships from the USA, or you could do ships from the EU, but you're more likely to get products from the USA. There's a wide variety of products from the USA, and Spocket do a really great job of finding all of these products. So all you gotta do is click on the link in the description below. Exactly. I know I'm going on a tangent here, but there's one right there for 1 to 3 days shipping price. So all you gotta do, click the link in the description below, go into Spocket, sign up right now for whatever pricing plan you would like, and all you gotta do is connect it with your store. Then you gotta find the products that either are already trending for you or have low amount of shipping time. It's quite simple to do, isn't it? You can go do that, and you can enjoy your time on Spocket right now. Just click the link in the description below, and you can get, I believe there's a free trial on there as well. Free trial for 2 weeks. So if you use my link in the description below, then you can get that free 2 weeks. So just go do that right now, and enjoy getting no customer service complaints to your emails, and to being able to fulfill orders quickly and scale your ads so you can make a profitable dropshipping store today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like for more money making online content, and leave a comment down below about what more you'd like to learn about making money online and everything else along that nature. And also subscribe for more money making online content, not just for dropshipping, but we look at any ways to make money online. So whatever you want to know, we've got experience in pretty much every online money making industry. So just let us know in the comments below, and we'll reply to you as soon as. Again, thank you for watching. Have a brilliant day, and I'll see you